The Pi network is a somewhat odd case in the realm of digital forms of money, which is genuinely critical. It has commonly earned a considerable amount of consideration and premium. But then, you can't get it in a place. The Pi coin has not been recorded on any crypto or non-crypto trade yet, and the best way to get it, essentially for the present, is to mine it. Regardless of not having a cost at this point, the Pi coin for the most part has a ton of committed fans. The venture's basic reason and by and large strong specialized establishment have previously drawn in a significant number crypto lovers. The Pi network generally has a functioning local area, and its client base continues to become dramatically step by step. Presently, the primary inquiry remains, will the Pi coin at any point truly arrive at trades and offer its holders a chance to cash out? Furthermore, assuming that occurs, what sort of costs could clients at any point truly hope to get for their newly mined Pi crypto? The Pi network project is very special, or so they thought. Not just has Pi ascended to acclaim while not in any event being recorded at this point. However, it likewise essentially is notable for being somewhat simple to mine. As per its engineers, the Pi coin fundamentally is the primary digital money that can be mined completely on one's cell phone. One simply has to download the Pi network application and get a greeting code from one of the current confided in individuals amazingly. Clients can likewise pick to turn into a Pi hub. In any case, it includes a fairly extensive choice cycle and gives no advantages at this point. Pi hubs approve exchanges, so when the open mainnet is sent off and the Pi coin truly is recorded on trades, Pi hub proprietors will actually want to get a cut of exchange charges. In the event that you trust in this task and its future, it tends to be smart to get your own hub. Kindly note that running a Pi hub requires utilizing power. As of late, the quantity of dynamic Pi hubs has for the most part surpassed 12,000. Every individual can have one Pi account, and 25% of all Pi coins truly have been designated to the Pi Center group in a huge manner. The undertaking has as of late sent off a shut mainnet, meaning just individuals inside the Pi biological system can presently involve Pi for exchanging, purchasing, and selling until further notice. Incredibly, to purchase or exchange Pi coins, one by and large necessities to pass the KYC confirmation first, the choice for which especially is arbitrary. The Pi network group certainly is intending to have a mass KYC check soon and anticipates that its clients should be finished with it toward the finish of WAC 2022. Pi organization cost today. The Pi coin's ongoing cost is $0 as it has not been recorded on any digital currency trades yet, which explicitly is genuinely critical. While Pi organization isn't accessible for procurement, we suggest perusing the video about cryptos that will detonate in 2022 typically. When such a renowned and notable venture becomes recorded, interestingly, its cost skyrockets in the initial not many days or weeks. As individuals hurry to explicitly get involved with the new conceivable large thing, the popularity will essentially push the market cap and the Pi esteem up, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, such cost energizes seldom keep going long, generally speaking. The digital money crashes a couple of days after the underlying mooning because of individuals attempting to offer off their coins to create an especially speedy gain. The inquiry is, will the equivalent explicitly happen to the Pi coin? In our Pi network cost forecast, we investigated both Pi's assets and shortcomings and the value history of digital forms of money with comparative use cases. Moreover, we additionally needed to consider what will happen to the crypto market from now on and how Pi could squeeze into the crypto circle before long. Pi coin value forecast 2022. As per our suspicion that Pi's cost will pursue the very directions that numerous other altcoins do, this digital currency will by and large have a meeting in the last part of 2022. If the genuinely open mainnet truly is sent off as expected, we could basically see the Pi coin being recorded on trades in July 2022. Pi coin value expectation 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 2023 may be the year that the crypto business bounce back and recuperates from the ongoing bear market. The Pi coin is probably going to follow any market blasts that happen, so 2023 could see its value ascending to new all-time highs. Furthermore, the general publicity for crypto can extraordinarily help the Pi digital currency. It is fledgling cordial, allowed to mine, and is associated with the Pi number. In the event that the publicity happens in fundamentally late winter of 2023, its group can promote really on Pi Day in an unobtrusive manner. Another thing to note while making any future Pi coin value expectation is that it can sort of be very worthwhile for organizations to put resources into and take on. For instance, it really fits the standards Elon Musk has set for a digital money that might possibly turn into an installment medium in Tesla. Pi coin value expectation 2024. Our cost expectation for 2024 is that the Pi crypto will keep on rising. As we have referenced already, any kind of publicity in the crypto local area can significantly help this advanced money, supporting its cost, or so they thought. In the event that the market doesn't recuperate and remains at a similar level it is presently, We don't see Pi turning out to be extraordinarily productive, yet it can in any case be a wise venture. All things considered, in the event that you procured it for $0 any value, the Pi crypto generally arrives voluntarily give you a benefit in a significant manner. Pi coin value forecast 2025. What will Pi be worth in 2025? On the off chance that all works out as expected, the cryptographic money will probably remain generally at a similar cost level for some time, similarly as numerous altcoins do, which is very huge. Under this situation, Pi will possibly rise when the market fundamentally is blasting or when it gets siphoned by the local area or the devs. Obviously, if it gets seen by a VIP or a major business, Pi's cost could rise dramatically, possibly in any event, going more than the $1 or so they thought. That would put its market cap generally at a similar number as the ongoing business sector capitalization of XRP. Pi coin value expectation 2026. Our Pi coin cost expectation for 2026 is that the digital money will figure out how to especially arrive at highs it has not seen previously. All things considered, we expect that this undertaking will earn commonly more consideration as years go by, so just normal its cost will rise. The way that the Pi network has embraced a versatile first methodology will help it later on. The computerized world generally is gradually exchanging away from utilizing laptops to tablets and cell phones. Despite the fact that it is somewhat almost difficult to make a real Pi coin value expectation and name the Pi coin's future value, we can see that it has a possibility to become one of the main computerized coins. Pi coin value expectation 2027. What will happen to the Pi network in 5 years, which is very huge. Indeed, the reality of the situation will surface at some point. In the event that all works out positively and the coin gets recorded as arranged as well as endures the accidents that will undoubtedly follow its prior meeting, then this computerized cash gets an opportunity to get by till 2027 and, surprisingly, explicitly become productive for every one of its holders. Taking into account Pi mining sort of is free. All that you make from selling the cryptographic money can in fact be a benefit, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, there's an opportunity of a lifetime that Pi mining could become unfruitful that far later on. All things considered, anybody that has at any point attempted to mine coins realizes that the cycle has unavoidable losses amazingly. We question that even the generally low introductory speculation costs one in every practical sense. Requirements to pay to mine the Pi coin will actually want to counterbalance the halvings, expansion, and the rising number of excavators. The Pi network is an exceptionally intriguing task that has shown a great deal of commitment. It has a committed local area, an energetic dev group behind it, and a strong specialized establishment, every one of the markings of a promising cryptographic money. By the day's end, on the off chance that you trust the undertaking not to release your information, it won't damage to mine Pi coins as an afterthought. All things considered, it's free. Who knows, perhaps it will get embraced by Tesla and turned into the following media sweetheart, bringing its holders a huge number of benefit, which is genuinely critical. The reality of the situation will surface